Welcome back. 10th class English. About sentence. What do you mean by sentence in Oriya? Sentence means Vakya. So, a sentence is a group of words having a complete meaning. Could you understand? Got it? What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words having a complete meaning. Got it? As per use of punctuation marks. What are the punctuation marks? You tell me. Comma, full stop, exclamation, exclamatory mark, question mark. These are called punctuation marks. Or in Oriya that is right. As per use of punctuation marks like comma, inverted comma, colon, semicolon, full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark. So these are punctuation marks. There are 4 types of sentences. What are they? Number 1 is statement or declarative or assertive. This type of sentence has 3 names. One statement, declarative, assertive. In Oriya? In a loud voice tell. Right. Vibruti Suchaka. And this types of sentences contains plus S means subject. Contains subjects and the sentence ends with full stop. S in bracket and full stop in bracket. That means a statement or a declarative sentence or an imperative sentence contains subject. For I am to the market. This is the sentence and the sentence ends with a full stop. Mark the helping verb. There are 24 helping verbs, you know. Is, am, are, was, were, you do, does, did, have, has, had, shall, should, believed, can, could, may, might, must, need, dare, ought to, used to. So helping verb am is used here. Main verb going is used here. Before the verb phrase there is a word that is I. So subject is here. As the sentence contains a subject and ends with stop, it is a statement or a declarative or an assertive sentence. Next, move to the sentence number 2, that is interrogative. Interrogative means what? Right. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are of 2 types. One is a yes no question, another is a WH question. So whether yes no question or a WH question, whatever it may be, there must be subject plus and the sentences generally end with a question mark. So what is a yes no question? If a question, if an interrogative sentence begins with an helping verb and the answer is generally given by saying either yes or no, that is called yes no question. Where if a sentence begins with WH word, what are the WH word? Remember? Who, whom, which, right? Where, when, why, how, these are the WH. If a sentence begins with a WH word and ends with a question, ends with a question mark, it is called WH question. Now, so let's have an example for a yes no question. There is a question. Are you a boy? Yes. The sentence begins with a helping verb are, ends with a question mark, and its answer is given yes or no by saying yes or no. So it is a question, yes no question. Next, WH question. Mark the WH question. Who are you? The sentence begins with the WH word who and ends with a question mark. So it is WH question. Now let's move to question number 3. What is that question number 3? Imperative means right, imperative sentence. In this sentence, in these types of sentence, actually there is omission of subject minus a subject, and its understood subject is always you, and the sentence ends with a full stop. Again, listen to me, remember, if a sentence begins with a subject, ends with a full stop, it is called a statement or a declarative or assertive. But if a sentence begins with no subject but ends with a full stop, it is called imperative sentence. Mark the sentence, come here. Come is the verb. Before it is, there is no word, that means there is no subject. Here understood subject you. You come here. You is omitted. So the sentence is an imperative sentence. Minus subject ends with a full stop. Next sentence is exclamatory sentence. Its original meaning is right, Bismaya Suchoka. And the exclamatory sentence contains a subject and ends with a exclamatory mark. Mark the sentence example. What a nice book it is. Here the sentence contains subject and ends with a exclamatory mark. So, as per use of punctuation marks, we came to know that there are 4 types of sentences. One is a statement, declarative, assertive, number 1. 2, interrogative. Interrogative sentences are of 2 types, yes, no question, double S question. 3, imperative sentence. 4, exclamatory sentence. Right? Next. Okay. Mention against each whether it is a declarative, assertive statement, interrogative or imperative or exclamatory. The letters in red colors, the words in red colors are helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did. These are the helping verbs. So leave it, come to the point. Question number 1. Abdul is a strong boy. The sentence ends with a full stop. Is the verb, right? Before the verb there is a word and that is a subject, that is a noun and that is a subject. So it is called, which type of sentence it is? What? Declarative. One can say declarative or assertive or a statement. Now let's move to the next question. Let us move now. Ends with a full stop. Full stop. Let is a verb. There is no subject. What kind of sentence is it? Minus subject, full stop. What kind of sentence it is? Imperative, right? Thank you. Next one is who told you that story? What kind of sentence is it? Interrogative. Interrogative, which type? Yes, no question or double S question? Double S question, right? Thank you. That's like good boy. Next one is how lucky I escaped the accident. What type of sentence is it? How lucky I escaped this accident. What type of sentence? Exclamatory, right? Thank you. Don't touch a live wire. What kind of sentence is it? Ends with full stop, no subject. Imperative. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Now let's move to the next question. Yes. Next question is, are you coming with me? What kind of sentence is it? Interrogative. Interrogatives are of two types. Yes no question and WH question. What is it?
Yes, no question.
Yes no question, because WH question is not a WH word is not used. Okay, thank you. That's like a good boy. Turn to page 25 in your grammar book. Which type of sentence is it? Imperative, because the turn is verb and before the word turn there is no noun or no subject, that is called imperative. Next word is, who did you give it to? Interrogative of what type? WH. Thank you. That's like a good boy. That's like a good boy. So these are, so we remembered helping verbs. What are they? Is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, dare, ought to, used to. Here are some words, may, might, must, these are the helping verbs. I have written these things here in order to remind you again and again so that you can remember these things, very peculiar things, easily and comfortably. Now next move to the next topic. Turn the following declarative sentences into exclamatory sentences using